Alright, good morning everyone, and welcome to another adventure field trip. Me and my best friend DJ are on our way to Botswana. First time in 2 years crossing the border for me, and it's been a while for you as well.
Yeah, it's been a while, yeah.
So yeah, we're packed and ready. The little van is idling, packed full of wood and everything at the back. And yeah, we're heading to hit the border. We've got a quick little recovery mission just outside of Martin's Drift. So I'll update you when we get closer. But for now, quickly gonna full up with diesel, get some drinks and hit the road. So join us in. Let's see what this adventure unfolds. Right, let's go. We're making good time. It's about 183 kilometers to go, and we just topped up with diesel at total in Volwater, and a lot of stop and goes on roadworks. They're busy building a new road and everything, so just be cautious when you're traveling this side. So yeah, I hope to make the border by 10:30. And we'll see how busy the border is, and then hopefully it's smooth sailing from there. Anticipating is building. We can't wait. Let's go. Right, so we quickly stopped. DJ at the back taking pictures. So far the trip is flipping amazing. It's good to be on the road again and making good time. It's 20 minutes before 10. We've got 60 k's to go, and yeah, we can feel the heat is already upon us. So yeah, DJ at the back taking photos. Lekker my chum. So yeah, and the old girl's doing good. Aircon on full blast, and she's trucking on, and yeah, so hopefully the border isn't that crazy. Not a lot of trucks on the road, so that's a good sign. And yeah, can't wait to get the Warrior in tow and quickly do a little bit of service and maintenance, and then we'll hook the Warrior at it's stationed at Sherwood, so not too far. And then we're gonna do about 50 k's. We're gonna go to, what's that place called? African River Ranch, eh?
Yeah.
So yeah, new place for both of us. It's right on the Limpopo River, and yeah, we're gonna be there for one night, and tomorrow morning we'll shoot back. So yeah, excited, and yeah, I'll catch you guys at the border. Right, so we're at the border. It's 20 past 10. Yeah, not too bad. The border is hectic. There's a massive queue, so we'll see how long this is gonna take. So yeah, hopefully the next footage will be on Botswana. Lekker?
Like it.
Alright, so if you can see, DJ is busy playing Victron tech support, and I don't know if you can see, but my face and our DJ, we see, figuring it out as we go. But yeah, alright, so a bit of an update. The repairs took a bit way longer than we thought. We were busy for about 2-3 hours. And yeah, so we actually came across Kwa Nokeng, and we wanted to do a quick lunch. And as we walked in, we saw a big blue swimming pool, and one or two drinks later, and yeah, so we decided to book in by Kwa Nokeng. So yeah, beautiful camp spot. I'll show you around a bit later. And so yeah, we booked at Kwa Nokeng. We did a awesome swim, and ate some awesome pizzas, and had a couple of St. Louis as well. So yeah, we're busy getting everything ready. We just parked off in the shade, so you can see there. And so yeah, we're gonna get our swimming shorts on now. We're gonna take another dip. It's very hot today. It was 36, 37. No? We didn't do any shopping, anything. It was only one night. I mean, we're crossing the border again tomorrow morning. So yeah, no, we didn't even do shopping. So but it's fine. We're winging it as it goes. It's one epic trip. A very short trip, but it's an epic trip. And yeah, man, Botswana still has that magic feeling. And yeah, it's sad. We're already proud thing to go back home tomorrow morning. And we're actually on the border right now, so Kwa Nokeng is not far. Martin's Drift is just there, stone throw away. So yeah, we're gonna head to the pool, and I'll show you a bit later how Kwa Nokeng looks. Stunning staff, stunning scenery over in the Limpopo River, and yeah, enjoying every moment so far. Hey Boetie, enjoying it?
Loving it.
Yeah, you sing. Lekker. That's Botswana for you. Right, good morning. DJ is busy packing up, me as well, and yeah, what a great night. It's day 2, our final day for our 1-day Botswana adventure, and yeah, it's a sad part of the trip now, busy packing up. We had a beautiful breakfast, all thanks to Kwa Nokeng, and yeah, everything has been paid and settled for. We're gonna hit the border. So yeah, that's always the bad part, getting back home. So yeah, I think this was one for the books, a real boys weekend. And yeah, it's a bit sad, like I said, you don't want to go home. Botswana is one of those places that just keeps on giving, you know. So yeah, we're gonna get packed and ready to go, and then get the passport stamped again. So yeah, the next time you'll see us back in South Africa. So yeah, let's hit the road. Alright, so as you guys know, I'm a gadget freak, so I originally got this turbo fan from the legend himself, Mr. Rob from Adventure X Lithium. So go check them out. We also do sell these at our fitment center at Okavango 4x4 Fitment Center in Bella Bella. So we also sell these, and also his amazing range of lithium batteries. But check how cool is this. So C-type charging, so hold in. As you can see, there's 3 little blue lights. Just want to focus. So you see on number 3 it's the highest setting, then 2 and 1. But check on number 2, and this is not lacquer for things like these. Dusting out, shoes, and also things like these. So yeah, Little gadgets makes life easy, eh? So yeah, go check them out. Right, update. Clocked out of Botswana, clocked in South Africa, and yeah, now we're sitting with this. A massive queue, also at the back, and yeah, I don't know. It should be out an hour, hopefully. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. It's going to be a short one, but a lekker one with my best mate, Mr. DJ. And yeah, I think there's many more to come. We're already busy planning, and yeah, many more episodes coming, and much more of my best friend and also Poppy the Landy will be also coming in very soon. Yep. So we'll do a nice rig rundown of Poppy when Mr. DJ is done. Yep. And our guys will give you an update about the little old girl of mine. And yeah, but please subscribe, hit that notification button so you get notified when we upload a new video. And I hope you guys enjoy this one. Until the next one, Mooi Loop.